everybody, my name is Silicon Silverfin, and today, yes, you might be a bit confused from the title. It is actually going to be, this is the actual finale for building a cheap gaming PC. That was a fail. Today, we are doing the final touches. We are installing the GPU, because someone's bought it, and they have hired me to install it for them. So, they bought the graphics card and a computer, not the computer, and we're going to be installing it today, so, roll the footage. Okay, so we are doing the thing. We are installing this thing, and this thing. Yes, you might notice, the disk drive is now black, so it matches better.
Because I added it in. I am the happy buyer of the PC. I got it for my birthday, and I got this.
$700 million spent later.
And I got this for my birthday too, which is an RX 470.
From Asus. So
4 GB.
Yep, we're gonna get installing, so jump cut.
We've done some guff, and now we're going to do some other things.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, you've got this.
Okay, is this?
Oh, that, the SATA.
It's touching the motherboard too.
That's fine. It really...
Are you allowed to touch the back plate?
The sensors are in the way.
Guff's in the way.
Something's in the way. The card is turning black.
Is it?
I haven't come to the conclusion yet. Your SATA's in the way.
You need to shift it one back.
SATA can go for now. We'll get it in once we've got the card in.
Waiting to let go. Who knows where the wind will blow? Just go with the flow. So don't get me wrong.
Don't do it, gets me down.
I want this
Not
feeling.
feeling playing around.
We'll party all night
I'm
long.
not here to make friends.
So don't get me
On this
wrong.
shit, I've got the bends.
Restart just to make life easier for me.
Alright, let's try this.
Graphics card.
Going in.
Graphics card. Docked.
It's in.
It's a bit wobbly.
And all the SATAs are in.
Sweet!
We are never removing a SATA ever again.
How many SATAs? So we've got all 3 in.
All 3. We need
Have
to
we?
cable
Yeah,
tie
we
them
do.
down.
Awesome. This is a beast.
It's big.
It's in the tiny motherboard. Take the camera off so we can see how tiny the motherboard
No, I'll
is.
just zoom in.
No. Look at the tiny motherboard with the massive graphics card in it.
The graphics card's bigger than the motherboard.
Yes. Alright.
Time to screw in it.
Cable management, go!
Never. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's red.
That's cool.
Oh.
Here comes dog.
Oh, don't worry, I'll shut the door. Okay, the graphics card. Bring the okay. So we've got enough. Okay. Yeah.
Caleb is zoomed in.
Okay. Okay. So
Now I need the drive.
we've got a new graphics card. So we press.
It says DDR3 on it.
SATA 1 is a DVD. WD is SATA 4.
We've mixed up the stations.
F1.
What's that?
No.
Someone's recording.
Okay, so we have got everything fine and dandy. We've got the USB in, so now it's time to install the graphics card drivers to the screen. So here's the old graphics card. Do you know what we do with old things? We throw them out the window. Great. Graphics card is in action. It's blue RGB. It's actually
RGB.
it goes along with the music
Of Chariots of Fire.
Chariots of Fire
My tone.
in a never before seen video.
It is very, very nice.
Tis. So, my job here is done, Toby.
Thank you very much.
ALG.